Drop test. 3, 2, 1. There we go. 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Power's on. It turns on. Battery comes right back on. And she's back on. She can handle it. I'd say that's pretty durable. We did a 3 and about 6 foot drop test. We had, a minor, almost cosmetic issue with the batteries, but that's a very simple replacement. Got no cracks or changes into the outer shell. Only things that broke were the disposable parts, and it worked as expected.